Welcome to Employment Law This Week. I'm George Whipple. Unfair labor practice charge filings with the NLRB are on the rise. The National Labor Relations Board reported a 16% increase in unfair labor practice charge filings in the first half of 2023, with a continued increase in union representation petitions. The NLRB is on track for the second largest percentage increase in ULP charge filings since 1959. This sharp rise reflects a board that continues to increase restrictions on employers and a general counsel intent on vigorously enforcing and expanding those restrictions. Recent board rulings have restricted discipline and discharges in response to employee outbursts, and expanded the types of remedies that can be ordered against repeat offenders. New York City prohibits size discrimination. The New York City Council recently approved new prohibitions on discrimination based on a person's weight and height in employment, except in cases where those factors are essential for job functions. Size discrimination is also now prohibited in housing decisions and access to public accommodations. New York City joins one state and a handful of cities with similar laws. New York State, New Jersey, Massachusetts, and Vermont are considering this kind of legislation as well. This could mark the start of a new wave of physical appearance protections, following a steady rise in state and local hairstyle discrimination bans over the past few years. Florida imposes new E-Verify requirements. Starting July 1st, 2023, all employers with at least 25 employees in Florida will be required to use the E-Verify system to confirm employees are eligible to work in this country. Employers must do this within 3 business days of the employee's first day of work or face stiff penalties. Florida is one of a select group of states that have adopted E-Verify mandates for public and private employers. Many additional states have some level of E-Verify requirements, so it's important for employers to review immigration compliance requirements when entering a new state. On the federal level, the Department of Homeland Security announced that COVID-related temporary flexibilities for I-9 form completion will end on July 31st, 2023. After that date, employers must once again physically inspect required documents for all newly hired employees. Any documentation that was inspected remotely during the COVID flexibility period must now be physically inspected by August 30th, 2023. That's it for this week. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.